What is the difference between flexi cap funds or focus funds? Which is more riskier, flexi cap funds or focus funds? To help you gain more insights on this, we have our investment expert, Mr. Hariharan, with us. Hariharan, the screen is all yours.
So Flexi, because the fact that the fund manager has the flexibility to shift between equity, between large, mid, and small. I would say that the flexibility gives him more comfort in terms of shifting as per the market dynamics. Two, the focus fund is more concentrated because by definition they can invest in maximum 30 companies, and by virtue of that, the concentration risk per stock increases. And if 3 4 companies don't perform well, the impact can be significant, because it can take 12 it can impact 10-12% of your portfolio. So from that perspective, flexi is less riskier than focused.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.